Hello everyone, this is Tarot Galaxy 1111 and today I am going to do the pick a card reading, and the topic of the pick a card reading is what I supposed to do and what I am not supposed to do, and what is the midway for the situation. Okay, you can take any situation or any your question. For that, the angel and universe messages for you, what you supposed to do, what is the midway for the situation, and what you are not supposed to do. Okay, so there are three piles. Okay, the pile number one, this is uh, the golden bangle. Okay, with the design. Okay, and pile number two, this is also golden bangle, but the designs are different. Okay, you can, I think you may able to see the difference. Okay, and this is the third golden bangle. Okay, so these are the three piles, and you just have to put your question or put your situation in your mind and concentrate on that, and choose any one of the pile. Okay, so that you will get the message what you are supposed to do, what you are not supposed to do, and what is the midway for the situation. Okay, I will put the timestamps in the description box below, and I would like to let you know this is the general reading, so each and every message may or may not resonating with you. So please take the messages wisely according to your situation, because you know your situation better than me. Okay, so I will start for the reading pile number 1. Okay, what is the what you are supposed to do, what is the message for the angel, what you are supposed to do, and what you are not supposed to do. I will pull three cards. Okay, one is for what you are supposed to do, one is for the midway, and one the other third card will be the what you are not supposed to do. Okay, and if the situation is not I'm needed some more cards, then I will pull. Okay, so your first card is Queen of Pentacles, your second card is the Star. Very good. And your third card is the Devil. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Empress. Very good. So whatever your situation, your answer is, so first card is what you are supposed to do, the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so Queen of Pentacles, let us know, gives the message that you are supposed to focus on your finances, focus on your career and family, and ready to help the other people, because queen this queen is ready to help others also. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, she is observing her coin. Okay, and she is ready to help the people who are needy people, and who want to take her help. Okay, so she is very helpful. So you have to help the other people who are in trouble, who are seeking for the advice, who want the other advice or some other problems. Okay, so whatever you can able to do, you have to help others. Okay, you have to help your family, you have to build up your family, you have to grown up your family, you have to spend some finances on some particular things in your family. Okay, or in your colleagues, in your workplace. Okay, in your projects. Okay, you should be ready for that. Okay, and what you are not supposed to do, the Devil, you are supposed to away from your obsessions, away from the obstacles, away from the negative habits, negative thinking. It may be the negative thinking pattern, it may be toxic thinking pattern. It may be some bad habits of eating, it may be some it like alcoholism or anything, the addiction problem, or maybe behavioral pattern, or someone has been the Capricorn person, or maybe any one of this card shows the Capricorn. Okay, so you might be Capricorn, or you might be dealing with the Capricorn, Aries, Leo, sorry, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this is also the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn card. Okay, so you just have to, you are not a puppet. Okay, you are not a puppet to dance on any other's rhythm. Okay, you have to take your control in your situation. Okay, control your life in your way. Don't let anyone to control your life and control you. Okay, whatever your situation, it may be your love life, it may be your family life, it may be your personal life or career life. Okay, so you are not supposed to do this dancing on the dancing like a puppet. Okay, and the midway is the star. The star card is signifying hope. Okay, this person is balancing out the trying to balancing out the situation, but sometime this card shows the loss or theft. Okay, so whatever during all this process, during helping other people and getting out of the negative patterns and doing moving away from the negative thinking, negative habits. Okay, so you have to take care of you are not in loss. Okay, you have to take care that whatever you are currently doing, it should be maintained. Okay, it is not like that you are just focusing on yourself and you are just imbalancing other things. Okay, see the star are here, so universe is helping you out. 1 2 3 4 8 stars are here. Okay, so this stars here, the god is, the universe is also trying to help you out. Okay, in between the one middle star. Okay, yellow color. So universe is also helping you to balancing out the things, and you should not go in the loss. Okay, because this water is, he is pouring outside and he is went other side, and this water he is taking and again pouring in that land only. His one foot is in the water and other leg is in the land. Okay, so you have to juggle, you have to balance both the things, but in the while maintaining the scale balance. Okay, the scale should not be imbalanced, the loss and the profit, or whatever the benefit and the other hurtings, or if you are want to happy to one person and at the same time you are just hurting the other one. So this is not the way. You have to take it in balance. Okay, you have to balance, you have to open your crown chakra, throat chakra and heart chakra. Okay, and the empress, so you will be like a empress. Okay, you will be in a this energy. Empress is the queen of the all kings. Okay, and she is very abundant, she is very passionate, and she knows what she is supposed to do. Okay, and she knows what she is not supposed to do. She is able to signify, she is able to differentiate what is right for her and what is wrong for her. So you will become in this energy, abundant in every aspect, by the abundant by the emotions, feelings, money, property. Okay, so you will come to in this energy, but for that your message is you just have to focus on your finances and ready to help other people. The midway is you have to balance the scale, whatever you are doing. Okay, and what you are not supposed to do, you are supposed to away from your addictions. You are not let anyone take your control. Okay, don't be the puppet of anyone. Okay, so I will pull one advice card for you. What is the advice from the unicorns deck? Okay, what is the advice from you from the unicorn? What is the advice from you from the unicorn? What what is the advice for you from the unicorn? Okay, aspiration. You are unlimited, so aim for the star. Okay, see again the star here. Again the star here. You are unlimited, so aim for the star. So whatever you are doing is good for you, and universe is helping you out to take all these things in control and all these things in balance. You just have to make your dreams high, set your goals high like a star. Okay, so I will let you know the affirmation for the aspiration. What is the affirmation for this? Unicorn supports my aspirations, your dreams, your comfort. Unicorns help you to aspire to great spiritual heights, to raise your vision, and know that your potential is limitless. So they are supporting you in your dreams. Okay, so universe and the unicorns both are supporting you. You just have to be in your power. I told you, you just have to be in your power. Don't let don't be let the handle your situation. Okay, control your situation in your way. Okay, don't be the puppet. Okay, because you are the unlimited. You are the full package of the full on the package of energy, power, enthusiasm, or the courage. Okay, you have all the abilities. You will do what you want, but you have to set your goals high, and universe is helping you in that situation. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and if you want any other reading on the another topic, then please let me know. I will do that readings also. So please like, share and subscribe my channels. Okay, and bye bye, take care. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, take care, bye bye. Okay, now we will move on the pile number 2. What is your message? What you supposed to do, what you supposed to do, what you are not supposed to do, and what is the midway. Okay, so these are the general reading, guys. So please take the messages wisely according to your situation, because you know your situation very well. Okay, so please, and let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and if you want any personal readings, then please let me know. I will pull the 3 cards for you. Okay, one is for the what you are supposed to do, one will be the for the midway for the situation, and the other one is what you are not supposed to do. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you. Okay, from the unicorns decks. What is you supposed to do, what is the midway, and what you are not supposed to do. Okay, okay, the second pile, first card is 4 of cups in reverse. Second pile, second card is 5 of wands, and third pile is 8 of cups. Okay, okay, I will put it here. Okay, so right now you are not and the bottom of the deck is the 6 of cups in reverse. Okay, so bottom of the deck is The message for you is what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to take you are supposed to come out of your current situation, because I think in current situation you are focusing on the empty cups who are in front of you, and they are not the worth for you, and you know that, but you are very stubborn. You are just stubborn, and you are not looking for the cup that universe is giving to you, because you want these cups, but universe has the different plan, and universe is giving the other cup for you, which is full of emotion, full of joy, full of passion, full of courage. But you are in the you are just focusing on the empty cups in your in front of you. You just want that cup only, but your advice is you are supposed to look for that cup. Okay, take that cup for you. Okay, because universe has been offered you this cup, so you are supposed to at least consider that first, then you can come to the conclusion if it is right or if it not wrong, if it is not right, or if what is the problem exactly. But whatever the three cups are here, this is not made for you. Okay, so just come out of that energy, come out of that attitude that no, I just want that. Okay, so your advice is, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to take all the options and all the signals whatever universe is giving you, all the signals you have to follow, and then think on that seriously and act for it. Okay, so this is you are supposed to do. What you are not what you are not supposed to do, don't walk away from this cup. See, don't walk away from this cup. The universe has been offering you the cup, and you are not right now I told you, you are just not focusing, you are just focusing on the empty cups in front of you. Don't be stubborn, focus on that cup, look to that cup. Okay, don't go away from that cup. Okay, and don't what is the midway, stop fighting for it. Don't fight. These fightings are maybe internal or external conflicts in your mind. This might be the four different persons, and you are fighting alone with these four people, or this might be your mental thoughts, your mental conflict. Okay, but these thoughts are now controlling you, so this is not good. Okay, so this is the advice for you. Okay, you have to focus on the cup, you have to take all the situation in the consideration, and look for the sign from the universe, what is universe is trying to give you. Don't walk away from that cup. Okay, if you add this cup in this 8 cup, this will be the 9 of cups, and 9 of cups is a wish fulfillment. So whatever you want, your wish will be granted. Okay, universe will help you out to bring your dreams come true, but this method will be something different. Okay, so don't be stubborn to you want to that patterns only, you want to follow that patterns, some specific patterns only. So what you are not what is the midway for this? The midway for this, you are continuously in these thoughts, why the cups are empty and why the situation is like that, what is wrong with this situation and what is wrong with me, and all the things. Okay, so go away from this situation, the patterns. Okay, stop fighting for this, and rather than fighting, you just take one good decision for that. Okay, so 6 of cups reverse also tells us that if this is upright, then some whatever your situation asking, I think you the viewers may be the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and this person or you, this person may be, whatever you are dealing with, that person may be water sign, and that person may be your childhood friend. Okay, that person may be your childhood friend, or past, you have some past life connection with that person. Okay, and see, there may be some age difference between both of the kids. Okay, and this one of the kid is giving the cup to the other. Okay, but in this reverse, you are not ready to accept that cup. She is ready to take that cup. She is looking in her eyes. Okay, and she just want to take that cup, but in reverse you are not looking, you are not considering this cup. See, so focus on that. Try to accept the things as it is, without without any confusion and without any, because God has some different plans. Okay, and always the things will be happen according to God only. So you just have to be receiver. Okay, and take be in acceptance mode rather than the this I don't want this and I don't like this. Okay, don't be in this energy, don't be stubborn. Okay, come out of that energy. Sorry. So I will pull one advice card for you from the unicorns deck. What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you from the unicorns deck? What is the advice for you from this deck? This is the progression here. 5 6 6 8 5 6 6 8 5 6 7 8. So this situation will get improved. Don't worry about it. Just try to focus on the universe sign. Whatever the signs and signals universe is giving you, take that. Okay, soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose today. Okay, see, I told you, whatever the situation is over here, in the current world, physical world, it will be just like what the God, how the God handles it. Okay, it is not like what you want, it is the what God has been planned for you, because your soul purpose is different, or you are not looking for that. You are just stubborn, to the so you are stubborn and you are not looking what you are just looking for the cups and that you want. Okay, but you are ignoring that fact, what is your soul purpose. Okay, and God know what is your soul purpose, so he is directing your life into your soul, in your soul journey. Okay, your what for the specific reason you are here on the earth. So whatever your soul purpose, God is trying to guide you in that way, but you are not looking for that. Okay, so your advice is look for that, look for the universe cup. What is offering, what is the universe is offering you, giving the signals you. Okay, and don't fight for it, and don't walk away from that cup. Rather than walking away, just focus on your soul purpose. So your affirmation is act, your advice is act on your soul purpose today. Okay, so I will let you know the affirmation. What is the affirmation for the soul purpose? 29, number 29. So some of the viewers may be having the life path number 2. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So you people may be having life path number 2, or some of you having life path number 9. It may be the lucky number for you, 2 or 9. Okay, so your affirmation is, unicorns can help you to find your soul purpose. This card reminds you that only this will bring you in a sense of satisfaction. So ask them to show your way. So ask them to show you the way. Then listen to their promptings. Okay, so I told you, look for the sign, look for the signals, and take on that. Okay, think on that, take that signals. Okay, you may be looking the synchronicities. Okay, so like 11225544. so this number has been different meaning, so you can google it and you will come to know what is the specific meaning of that repetition number. Okay, it might be in pair or it might be three numbers in at a time. Okay, so your affirmation is I act from my heart today. Okay, don't be stubborn, be happy and take that cup and be happy. So your affirmation is I act from my heart today, because in that way only you will go to your soul purpose. Okay, for that specific reason you are here. Okay, so this was your advice. Please let me know in the comment section if the reading is resonating with you, and please let me know if you want the other readings in with the different topics. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, so okay, for the pile number 3, what I supposed to do, what I not supposed to do, and what is the midway. Okay, I will pull 3 cards. Okay, for one card is what you supposed to do, one card is what is the midway, and the other card is what you are not supposed to do. Okay, so these are the general readings, so please take the messages wisely according to your situation, and if you want any personal reading then you can contact me. I will share my contact details in the description box below. Okay, so and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you. What is the message, what is the pile number 3 supposed to do? What is the guidance for the pile number 3? Okay, 2 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups in reverse, and 5 of Cups in reverse. 10 of Pentacles reverse. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Tower in reverse. So I will take some clarifiers why the 10 of Pentacles is here, why the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Why the 10 of Pentacles is reverse. Okay, 8 of Cups and King of Swords. Why the 5 of Cups in reverse? Why the 5 of Cups in reverse? Ace of Cups, Knight of Swords in reverse, and the Emperor reverse, and again Death card in the bottom of the deck. Okay, so you are what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to take the you are now juggling in the two things. Okay, it might be your work situation or it might be your family life. Okay, personal life or work situation. You are, or some of you might be just focusing on two businesses, two jobs, one part time, two part time jobs, or any two financial things. Okay, so you are supposed to balance all these things. This is your message. You are not supposed to take one in high priority and one in low priority. So you have to, the scale should be in the level. Okay, so this is your message. These two the two cups, two pentacles in should be one line. Okay, so this you are supposed to do, and what you are not supposed to do is the card is 5 of Cups in reverse. So you are focusing so rather than focusing the two cups behind you, focus on the other things also, whatever what are there. Okay, when it is upright, then you the people are thinking regarding the cups whatever spilled over here, and they are not looking for the two cups behind them. They are not just taking the blessings and the whatever the situation, hopeful situation behind them. Okay, and you are not thinking other things, so you are guided that you should take all the cups in consideration. Okay, the positive sides also, the negative sides also. Okay, because don't rush. Okay, the knight of swords is the energy is, he is very with the high speed. He just want to take action, but in mind he is not thinking properly what will be the effects of it. Okay, and this is in reverse. You have to take the all the possibilities in your mind. Okay, positive, negative, everything. You have to take the decisions from the heart, mind, okay, and soul. Don't rush the things. Okay, because something is coming into your way, the universe will give you the rewards. Okay, ace of cups, universe will be give you the rewards. Universe is going to give offer some opportunity for you, which will be very beneficial for you, abundant for you. Your reward of your hard work, reward of your struggle, whatever you are doing right now. And whenever you are the message, like I have told you, the message is you have to balance all the scale. So what the hard work you are doing, for that the universe will be rewarded that with giving you some offers. Okay, which will be beneficial for your lifetime. This might be your business proposal, love proposal, or anything. Okay, so each message will be different for the everyone. Okay, and the emperor in reverse. So when you will see the all the things in positive, negative aspects and everything in the consideration, then you will come to in the emperor energy. Emperor is the king of the all kings. Okay, he is very wise, he is very experienced. Okay, he has all the tools whatever he want. He is very rough and tough. Okay, but still he is able to manage everything. Okay, he is a father figure and he is a boss. Okay, because he is a king of all kings. See, the progression is the 5 in reverse and 4. Okay, so you have to sorry, the 4 in reverse and 5. So if you will able to see all the things in this way, then you will come into this energy. Okay, and the opportunities will come to you, the expansion will come into your way. So you have to don't settle for the little things, and don't afraid for the things are not with things are not around you, because things are going to come into your way. But you have to take large perspective, change your perspective of the vision. Okay, and the midway is, we will come to the midway is the 10 of pentacle in reverse. So you are not focusing on your family. Okay, and you some of you are facing some financial issues. So the 10 of pentacles is your, and some of you are walking away from the this situation, this family or the business. Okay, so you just cutting out them by your word, by your actions. Okay, and walking away, but your advice is don't do that. Okay, you are this is the midway. Means midway is the don't cut them and don't walk away, just take all the perspective, take all the facts in the consideration, positive, negative, then only you will get the expansion. Okay, So don't cut away, don't use any harsh words, okay? And don't juggle in the two people, don't juggle in the two things, two situation. Try to balance the scale, okay? The death, because this is going to end, this tough cycle, whatever you are going, this is going to end, and every ending has a new beginning. Even though this is the end, even though this is the dark energy, there is a sun arising behind, okay? So every ending has a new beginning, so new beginning will come to your way. I told you, universe is offering you something big, solid, okay? So don't cut out. So midway is, don't be harsh, don't use any harsh word, don't do any harsh actions, and don't walk away, because this situation going to end. This is for the some time, okay? See, 8 this is for the some time. So this was your message. You the message for you, what you are supposed to do is try to balance, and what you are not supposed to do is rather than focusing on one thing, try to focus on everything, every positive negative aspect, every opportunities. You have to take it seriously, okay? And the midway is, don't cut away the situation, and don't be rude, and don't walk away with the situation. This will going to heal, this will going to work out, okay? So I will pull some advice card for you. What is the advice card for you? From the unicorn deck, I will let you know the affirmation also for the advice. You people may be Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Aries, Leo, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Scorpio energy is strictly over here because the death is here. Archangel Michael, use the sword of truth to help the world, and closeness. Okay, so whatever sword you are using, rather than cutting out the people, just use that for the truth, okay? Use the sword of truth. You have the sword, but use it for the truth. You use the sword of truth to help the world, okay? To help your family, rather than cutting them away, help them, okay? Rather than walking away from them, help them. Use the sword of truth to help the world, because some of you, your family is your world, so this is the specific message for you, okay? And this number is 10, 10, 10. So specific message for here. And 10 is a completion, okay? Number 10 is a completion. So I told you, this is the death, completion is been done. So every endings has been new beginning, so new chapter will be coming soon. And the second is closeness. See, again completion. Your unicorn is very close to you, closeness. So unicorns are very close you to help you. Number 5 is the positive changes. So positive changes, fruitful rewards are here. You are going to take that rewards also, okay? So you people have 2 messages, okay? Very good. So I will let you know the affirmation for the 37. Archangel Michael. This card is guides you to carry the Archangel Michael's swords of truth to help to help someone weaker than yourself. Your unicorn sees beaming integrity, courage, and decisiveness at you. See, for some of you in your family, some of you, one of the family member is weak, or they are not able to take any decisions firmly, so they need your guidance. So use the archangel Michael's swords of truth for their for this to help them out. Okay, rather than cutting the people or cutting the situations rough and toughly, take do the help. Okay, take the sword of truth, use the sword of truth with the courage, integrity, and decisiveness, because you have all the capabilities, you can do that. Okay, so your advice is you have to help them in midway, while you are going to while you are while the whatever the situation is, you are asking for, to doing to bringing that situation into the good level, you have to do this also side by side. Okay, in the midway you have to do this. The second card is the closeness, 5. The card tells you that your in unicorns is close to you. Again, this is unicorns is close and close. Allow yourself to relax into its love and the trust that your wise and beautiful spiritual compassion is helping you. Okay, so your affirmation is, I know my unicorns is close to me. And the second affirmation is, I stand in my power and help others with the integrity. Okay, I stand in my power and help others with the integrity. And second affirmation is, I know my unicorns is close to me, I know my God is close to me, I know my universe is close to me, and you are taking their blessing. Open your heart chakra to take all the blessings. Okay, so this was your message pile number 3. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please let me know in the comment section if you want any other topics for the readings. I will do that also. And if you want to take any personal guidance, then I will share my contact details in description box below. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and take care. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.